Good morning, Dyson, and welcome to Maths. Let me share my screen, and here we go. So, do you recognise this? I need you to pause the video straight away and complete all the sections of this for me for the number 14 today. Okay, pause the video now. Well done. Okay, I hope you paused the video because I'm about to show you the answers. You ready? There they are, the word 14. What 14 would look like in a tens frame, in two tens frames. What 14 would look like using Dean's. A 110, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. The number 14 on a number line, there it is. And I've split my 14 into 10 and 4. Okay, well done if you got that. Remember to post a picture of it on Tapestry for me. Okay. Let's start the rest of the lesson. Today, our learning objective is, can I add by making 10? So, here we have some tens frames, and one of them is full. So we know how many are there, don't we? 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? 15, fantastic. So if 10 plus 5 is 15, then what is 9 plus 6? Well, it's my turn, so I'm going to show you a sneaky little trick. What I'm going to do is make 10, and that's what this lesson's about. Making 10 to make our adding easier, okay? So I'm going to move one of my counters from this tens frame into here to fill it up. So now I've got 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hold on a minute. That looks just the same as up here. 10 and 5, 10 plus 5 equals 15. So 9 plus 6 must also equal 15. I'm right. Fantastic. That's an easy trick, isn't it? If you fill up a tens frame with the leftovers from the next one, then it makes it easier to add. Okay, let's try another one. You ready? Okay, what have we got here? 10, well, I know that's 10 because it's full, plus 1, 2. 10 plus 2. What is 10 plus 2? Can you tell me? Oh, okay, I'm going to check. 10 plus 2. 10, 11, 12. You were right. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Well, if 10 plus 2 equals 12, then what does 9 plus 3 equal? 9 plus 3 seems like a tricky question. Let me make it easier. I'm going to take one of my counters to fill up my tens frame. So now I've got 10 plus 2. Oh, well, I know what 10 plus 2 is. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 9 plus 3, it equals 12 as well. Wow, this is a good trick. Okay. How could we change this question to make it easier? Let's have a think. So far we've got 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 plus 4. How could we change it to make it easier? We could change it to 10 plus something, couldn't we? Yeah, good idea. So let's do it. It's my turn. It'll be your turn in a minute, okay? Let's see. Let me fill up that tens frame. Whoopsie. Fill up that tens frame and figure out what our new sum is going to be. 10 plus 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 9 plus 4 is the same as 10 plus 3. There we go. So what does 10 plus 3 equal? Well, oops, let me just send that to the back. 10, so I've got 1 10 and I've got 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So 1 10 and 3 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So if 10 plus 3 equals 13, what does 9 plus 4 equal? The same! Isn't that a fantastic trick? Okay, now it's your turn. How could we change 9 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, to make it easier? Remember, we're making tens. So pause me and can you draw this question, but show me how we could make it easier. You could do it on a whiteboard if you want, because this is just to help you out. Okay? Pause me now and do that. Well done. Hopefully you said we could move one of our counters over here to make 10. Now we've got 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 10 plus 6 is so much easier, isn't it? So 10 plus 6, we've got, oh, it's happened again. Silly Miss Walker. Hold on. We've got 110, 110, and 6 ones. 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, they're not going to fit. 5, 6. 6 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. So what does 9 plus 7 equal? The same! How clever is that? 16. Fantastic. Okay, now it is your turn for real. Here are 5 questions, and each of them is a little bit tricky, and I would like you to write the number sentence of how to make it easier. So the first thing you're going to do is write the number 1 and then write 9 plus 5. Okay? Now you can draw tens frames if it helps you, but I then want you to write the 10 plus something sum to make it easier for you to add. And then you're going to write the answer at the end, okay? Do you think you can complete all those questions for me? Take a picture of your work and put it on Tapestry. Well done. Now there's a challenge for you to do at the end. So pause me now and answer those questions. And if you want to come back and do the challenge, come back and do the challenge, okay? Here is the challenge. The question is, write the numbers 1 to 5 in the squares so that each row, so that's each row and each column, adds up to the same number, called the magic number. Okay, so I need you to find out what the magic number is. This is a tricky challenge, okay? I'd also just like to say quickly that if you would like to play Hit the Button, it's a very good game to play to help us with our number bonds. So get your mums and dads to search Hit the Button on the internet and click the green one, number bonds, and play the number bonds game, okay? This is a fantastic game if you want to play, okay? Well done, everybody. Remember, please post your work on Tapestry so I can see it, okay? See you again soon for another lesson. Bye.